everyone. I'm Andrew Kong, the director of the Ttapec company. I worked for this company for 14 years. In 2001, the Ttapec was founded. The Taiwan machine tool industry is very famous in the worldwide industrial. And we are the top 5 industrial manufacturing turnover over the world.
We are fully focused on aerospace this industry. So in our product, we are following the aerospace inquiry because I want to do more customized machine. We should handle the key component by ourselves and the core technology by ourselves.
Taiwan machine tool identified in the middle level of the application. So we are thinking about how to build up a new brand, and we focus on the high-end product and high-end application. So we built out Ttapec, and we cooperated with some university, the academic circles, and some legal entities. In the beginning, so we are like the general machine tool builders. We just focus on the cost, the performance of the product, and of course the quality. But gradually, we changed. We are not just only focused on the product sales, and we try to change the style from the product orientation to the marketing orientation, the customer orientation, and the relationship with the customer. Not only the sales and the buyer, we try to build up one very special business term we call the business development, is the BD. So we try to build up the strategic partnership with our customer.
And we are smart. Taiwanese is very smart, and our education is good. So I want to lead one Taiwanese team to make good solution for customers. The most difficult thing is also to be a Taiwanese brand. It's very difficult to sell high price in the market because many image from the other country, they always still keep Taiwanese is a low cost or very high CP value. So this is very difficult for us. Increase profit of a product, and also very difficult to promote a Taiwanese solutions.
And we face the huge competitions from our competitors, even in Taiwan, and they can offer a very lower cost but standard type. But when we think about we try to focus on high-end application, we have to know the exactly and very specific application. So we just do make the analyze to the market, and we focus on the aerospace application, and we also the top 1 brand in the Korean aerospace industry. Just like this slogan that you can see on the wall, and we believe that we can change the world to go through our team cooperation. So in the recent years, we have the 5 years, then the 10 years, our strategy, and we try to become the top 3 brand in some very important aerospace cluster and automotive cluster. So this is our vision and our aim of the company. For our teammates, I know this year is very tough because the impact of the COVID-19, and our customer also got a very big challenge. But during this tough period, we still assign a lot of people overseas to help the customer to installation, the machines, or try to give the technical support. I appreciate it because you sacrificed your lifetimes with your family, and you are under the dangerous environment. So I appreciate that you are devoted yourself in this company. Really, very appreciate it. And I hope that in the end of this year, we can share the great result to everybody.
I want to encourage my colleagues, because most of our colleagues are from mechanical as well. We should go to the basic, do the basic to become perfect, and then we can gradually grow up, focus on this basic, and then we can have a high quality. Remember, we are very smart Taiwanese. We can give a good solution for the customer, and we should be proud of ourselves.
Ttapec is a very unique company, and I believe that win the trust from you, and we can convince you during our very unique business, the value proposition that help you to face the challenges of the future. Thank you.